woni se ukwada bia se ebono nkron epa mu se ya na ma sede ejima konwa se ya na ye se agro mu nsem no de se ne fata ye de ebrew ofie woni se bia ene unya adaje kokrom kodi pa na apade da chi no Yankopon ayo adom amwasan kokodu fie wonya aduane bi adi ene wonya nsuo bi de agu ho teja otu akonwam a otu TV ho na wo hwe agro ne from dwumadie yɛn nyame ase so de akɔ na wasan de yɛn akoduru efie wo hwe na ano nsuo etoto ye ya afa bi nim de bi nim kɔ ama mekodi pa aba no wansan ama abeduru efie biom tie ba ne saa na yɛda nyame ase bɛde kan amamakɔ aba amawadwo de aba dwumadie no so ɛnɛ dwumadie no ɛso bɛde pa esan sɛ wo hwe sɛ de World Cup 2018 de no ɛkɔ so na football no emu ayɛ de na agro no ɛkɔ fom pa anase ɛkɔ so pa sɛ de dwumadie no ne din tie no agro no fom na World Cup matches na yɛbɔ no wa utumi sɛ agro no fom ampa san sɛ akɛse no bi ɛtetehwe ɛna ebinom so ɛkɔ so surprises ɛwɔ mu ne nyinaa no yɛde ho nkɔmɔ ɛbrɛw ama wo sɛ de nneɛma ɛbɛsi fa akɔ so mede ne kwadwo mensa moshosho wonim sɛ saa World Cup ya ɛkɔ si no yɛpɛ sɛ during the period of the World Cup emre yi no agro no fom dwumadie no ɛya na yɛ dedicate large part of the program no e dey World Cup matches no said the air course no na wonim say multimedia group no ye na ekita radio commentary right no enti ye share here 7 days in match day 7 and ye enne na all the matches are yabo nyina no from the opening ceremony ABC enne ayebo match day and I say match etoso adunu the 20th match enne no ye de nyina de abremo ye bekoswa na ye the live commentary no abremo abra World Cup matches no course no sa ye nya ba kokura all the 64 matches no ye the ebro already what promotions ahodo a ye the abehihim amana kama eti ye da se na un se medical ka say World Cup no asem ye beka na emu no enema ba ko miru bi course wo fie a un bi se ye ntimi nya ne saa keke na ye nya fie ensem no ento ho enti ni ansa na ye wie no efie de ba ko miru bi titru ene Ghana footballer akan sensemu wonim se na otwetwa mu no na anas video no ba bonten no ensem bebre aba FA president na resign ensem asisi nyina me no nyina yenim deda na clubs na tifie na wo mu emobo no bebre na hyase kasa the first club odi kan kasa ye o na o chese eyo how ma wo mu so mu tifie and the financial burden and the financial implications of not playing football at this moment da and they cannot continue to sit there abroad game match no enkoso tie be ya anka aban no any FA no any FIFA any obi a we involve bia emobo ni say on betimi speed up the process of resolving the issue no said be ya football e be san ababiom enkomo we make sure ba bia kwakoduo ene kakra ye betimi aka e afa ho Master Benson e my guest Master Akwaba onu ana ye no ye World Cup no yedini di hudwuma ene ade a o radio ana anwumwe matwe no ede na aba TV se yemra na yemedi enkomo anwumwe ya anasemde matches miensa ene todwa e World Cup no mu asatende a na 17 matches ene abo na ene miensa beka ho amna ya dunu 20 na debi kan no Morocco fo ene omoni Portugal eboye ene ma sheda nko yisa otiase Morocco for no Portugal shomo eka ba ko Cristiano Ronaldo etrese ampa World Cup no ojane naso odimu akotene o dedi goal king no obo ewo eye club side wa translate e de aba country no so obo no modern and then Iran so etra home Spain e share the baako na Uruguay so e share Saudi Arabia eka baako a ono so went me anti enti World Cup no dia atodwa ne ochna ohwa that is a group C matches to Ghana, Denmark, Australia, Airbo, and then France and Peru, Airbo. 12 matches tomorrow. Now, Argentina and Croatia, and so Eddie so in the apron, the matches are then they move Tiana, what your commentary no Ewa Sempa 94.7 and I say Joy 99.7. Okay, so World Cup no and there match day 7 as Abanson.
Yeah,
day 7, which means that you about 7 days. Now you say 1 week prepare and I can say you started say you about World Cup no. And once officially you're China 1 week. But you overall performance of the clubs, you know, you have some specifics to be, but 20 matches now you send over and you know what I say favorite yes I say Equity.
I think not yet, based on in terms of pre-tournament favorite you and before the tournament you say nations be minimum how to win the World Cup, especially Brazil, Germany. Belgium was my favorite based on the quality of players from the Umba. So I would say France, then Argentina. I think these big names now are performing better, so it's really difficult to take up your neck. They still stand favorite. Now, Probia, who got 100% record in this tournament, is the lowest ranked team in the tournament, which is Russia.
Yeah,
Russia was ranked based on FIFA ranking, number 71. Out of 2 games, almost 8 goals are considered 1.
Yeah,
and they are true to the next stage. So Russia now if you say because I can say it is really difficult to rise the host nation out of World Cup. Because South Africa is the only host nation. You bought World Cup when you qualify from group since 1930 in Uruguay, 34 Italy, 38 France, then that break in 42, 46 about 15 Brazil, 54 in Switzerland, 58 in Sweden. It is difficult to say host nation between. And we had some host nation be on GGB, Uruguay in 1930, Italy hosted in 1934,
yeah.
England in 1966, we have Argentina winning in 1978, in France or France is the last host nation in 1998.
Yeah.
So host nations in that GGB, Germany also won it in 1974 as host nation. In that 6 host nation, but all can based on performance there. I think that I don't mean personal calls will be because the big teams in FDCV Argentina in the first game against Iceland, we thought Argentina with the players from the for a national team to ignore a player like Mario Icardi, the quality of Icardi. For Inter Milan tells you say Argentina back with a lot of great players, Di Maria, Dybala, Lionel Messi, Higuain, Aguero. These are quality players compared to like Griffith Sekisi, Guhansen of Iceland. Even Iceland, for are not well-known nation, but it's a nation of just 330,000. So when Argentina fall a bar, even professional players Argentina is almost the entire population of Iceland. So that tells you how our football developed with criminality. And I think that Argentina for with Brazil against Switzerland, it would have been a different story when Sanko share or knockout stage. When the teams go into tournament with different ideologies now, some would decide say your group, the main target is your person called the knockout stage. So we don't want to lose. It's the best approach for underdogs. And though you are Switzerland, it would be say Shaqiri, Granit Xhaka, any other key players or more team, Omar Shaf, many Amandi, many arena. Coach now will do many strategy. We don't want to lose. So Brazil find it very difficult. There's been one of 2 issues. Favorite to be also struggled to win. England against Tunisia was another issue, but England have never lost to an African nation there. Just like Portugal in the last 11 games since 2002. Portugal non-European nation shared. So some teams come into the tournament with some history be a duomachi, and they always make sure some to maintaining. Germany also since 1958, every open game be that was the reason why many issue with Omoko Giacomello. It got to a point they were down by a goal. Courtesy Lozano, PSG for left winger. Germany from decided so much back for the film. Defensive midfielders film. Then bring on players to say Mario Gomez, Marco Reus, I was sorry. They are not coaching and it looks like it's a Obama game. Not be enter. He wanted to maintain that record for since 40 good years. No, Germany in World Cup and the first game won't show good and it was unfortunate. All the changes, but so there have been so key teams be on team. Spain in the first game was against Portugal. You woman against Iran, and I think football fans about dear to now football is developing. This is an Iran team led by Carlos Queiroz, former assistant coach of Manchester United, former coach of Portugal in 2008 to 2010, and out of Iran team, they have 13 players playing football in top club. Let me say clubs in Europe, even not top clubs. Contrameters in Greece, they have players beat with 101 days, the Jagamu, almost beat Sado Azmoun of Rubin Kazan. So these are players that almost vibe with the European football, they know how to play. So, and you can never write any team below. You African batters now you almost so struggle as usual. When you go to tournament and you struggle about it. So, I think my best team for the moment is Russia.
Your best team for the moment, Russia. Notwithstanding the opposition, almost
the opposition look a little bit easier for them because the Egyptian team, my catch was the Said Goma, the Abutrika, Mohamed Zidane, Shoki, Abdul Abu, Ahmed Hegazi Mutino. It's a million times better than the Karatima.
But all the same,
Russia, that chance they can score 5
taking anything away from the Russians because how some of the teams, affair
and the lowest ranked team out of the 32 teams.
Okay, so the lowest ranked team out of the 32 teams now, Asia kind of a year, sir, FIFA World Cup women, Russia. You have about a World Cup women. Now, according to the FIFA rankings, no, I'm going to 71. What you say? And now, Saudi Arabia, that 66 or 67. 80, make say, Adonko Bitters, Abensu, and now Soko, Omutayachi, Yaba, Yabetua, so Yabasisia. It's a sign about you. I don't see so agree from and when you go to share Elfie, maybe Obiano, yeah, say now you discuss it World Cup 2018. No matches so far, they have bought everything there. You bought 20 matches. 20 matches. Now 20 matches now you bought. Very impressive. As I said, records now one chess said 20 matches played, you know, 45 goals and I share Ewomu. I just say Enyasem Kitwakra. And then Cristiano Ronaldo. And I watched the highest number of goals after 20 matches. Now, about 2 matches. And I watched 4 goals. And then Russia, striker, and friend of Denis Cheryshev, no, also watched 3 goals. And then Romelu Lukaku, Belgium, you know, also about 2 goals. And Harry Kane, England, 2 goals. Eti sa ena yehwe I dey kwa edima. Now, she will do go kino. Answer na yebeba Africa, your teams no. We will briefly say o ma disappoint yen. E mo say the Africa ye underachievers about World Cup, more flatter to deceive. But yehwe the big teams. Germany lose in the first game. Team bit say Spain or Belgium every year. What does it tell you? European teams. So the World Cup has been won by only 8 countries.
Yeah.
8 countries out of the 20 World Cups. 8 per every year. Now 8 in the room. Belgium started that own winning with that. Dynamics kakrabi say no.
Yeah, I think I always believe football say might depend on the quality of players how then the coach come next. I always give coach 30-40% of the Omejumombe because standing how tactical you are. If you don't have the materials now, it makes the work very difficult. So that's America. The Belgium team stands one of my favorite teams to win the World Cup. And Kamechu should be Brazil because of say it is difficult for non-European nation to win World Cup at Europe. Once penalty. That was 1958 when Brazil was Sweden. Since then, European nations have used to World Cup 10 times. So on what basis, America says it's so easy for the non-European nations to Babeji.
Okay.
We are in 66, then when I was Nuaje, you only in 1934, now Italy was Nuaje, in 1938, now France was not Italy, you win 1974, now Germany was Nuaje, you win 1998, now France was Nuaje. So it is difficult. 1982, Spain was to cry, the European nation Nuaje. So it's really difficult to say, non-European nation in 1998 it was in Italy, Germany not Kwaji. And that was the time and now Argentina, Diego Maradona, Boruchaga, Jojo Vardano, these were quality players. Already they not look at Matthias no Pierre Lebasky, who can stand them, but the Europeans count a lot. Now,
but non-European countries are non-European 8 countries now do World Cup.
Yeah.
They won't 3 and I have non-Europeans.
Yeah.
Brazil. Uruguay and Argentina. 3.
Yeah.
So 3 countries in also it won't be.
Yeah.
Okay. and then 5 na aka no Europeans.
Yeah.
Almost
5 no ba kwamba.
Italy amba. Okay. Now out of 5 na you can Italy ama no. I don't know your France, your Spain, your England, your Germany no. So what I say, your Germany 4 no. Your countries be European countries are among for some so a bit my favorite back Portugal. Said you see we are starting and then you have Belgium okay. This is Becca Europe among the 4 now actually the no woman and I said can go outside. There could be I said too early for us to be doing this prediction.
It's very important. I think there could be a new winner, which is very difficult. It looks like say intense World Cup. That was always the first time. And nobody thought say France Belgium 1990, even though Mugushi France in the 80s. I remember in 1982-86 when Platini, Johan Tigana, Luis Fernandez, Aran Jurez, Matthias Bossis, Didier Sex, on and on from the Karen Magic in French, the Magic Squad. So one of my chance there, Christian Dugarry, Emmanuel Petit, Zidane from nowhere, Thierry Henry from under 20, Trezeguet under 20, no America, no Cantona, no Gino Abetia. So there's always a first time, but Germany money I don't know how to win the World Cup. Germany have always been there, the last 4, last 8, since we call World Cup in 1954, 1954 they won it. Osman Flakes, water flakes in the Afomino. Omoko G3, Hungary was overwhelming favorites in 1953. Normal Olympic Games in Helsinki, led by Nando Kosek, Pushkas Miladi.
Okay.
And always there's a new team between Belgium can also come in, but it stands Germany are tournament favorites. You won't be right to move.
Okay.
And almost we move in between Portugal. They will not be in. Now I'm not going to go no show and the first 5 minutes. These are 2 players playing we are seeing world football. FIFA World Cup, 2 goals under 5 minutes in 2 games.
Okay.
Vava in 1958 against USSR. Oshe, no, I was Tia France. First 5 minutes, we should go. Then we have Cristiano Ronaldo, who was against Spain. First match was and the first 5 minutes. And then was the 4th minute goal against Morocco. So remember because I had 2 players now. Now out of 2 games now, but I said 4 goals. I don't know you call another record with that guy is genius. In world football, Nasa team will call World Cup. Player by Kwashef almost last 5 goals. Only Salenko only pano.
Yeah.
Russian
Salenko.
In 1974, only Salenko Kwashef 5 goals in a game against Cameroon. 1994.
Sorry, Cameroon.
Kwashef 5 goals in a game against Cameroon. And a Roger Melabetis Hakano. Now Ronaldo, on my last World Cup game in 2014, she go. In the game against Spain, was a hat-trick, and then was a goal. So we equal that record, scoring a nation's last 5 goals. Is another record. And if you look at the way I watch it, and out of 8 shot on target, 8 shotter, Team Portugal don't go with 6. You might,
but then after our game, no course when they later no, a man for kickers opener. I mean,
he won man of the match.
Of course, you know, say that rivalry between Ronaldo and Messi no Koso.
Yeah.
And this year, the Ballon d'Or no, still a man for say it's too close to call. Say look near to any of the teams and say Ebiaji. But on the basis of the Europe no, I just say Oko Spanish La Liga duma Oshedi Siwo or leading Real Madrid or Champions League near there. Among of we say World Cup no 2 teams players we know our countries you know performance will be determined the Ballon d'Or this World Cup will be determined.
I think a count but not really in terms of be determined because your World Cup ESB players no much near the 90 and go all the way to win the Ballon d'Or near there. There've been 1 or 2 occasions. I remember in 2006 we say Fabio Cannavaro when Italian national team near their man there but Ronaldo I feel so 70% of the this year and as a Ballon d'Or scoring consecutive 11 games in Champions League, helping Real Madrid to win the Champions League, being the top goal scorer, scoring more than 15 goals is to me is absolutely enough. And it's a bad thing, sir, even though Messi to catch up with him in terms of World Cup here this year. Now I said 4 goals, we're yet to score. It makes it very difficult. There is always pressure on Lionel Messi. I feel, sir, that was the key one. And I was said that penalty against Iceland. No. Before the match, whatever tabloid newspaper they will be almost say the pressure is on Iceland because Messi also want to make huge statements. Say We never had 3 goals, not against any nations, against Spain, one of the best nations in world football. And if so, Africa, Messi also need to prove something. And he has to put pressure on you. Ronaldo has always been there. He always thinks about the numbers.
Okay.
And out of 8 shots now, the team Portugal got 6.
So it's about the numbers.
It's about the numbers. He always makes sure the next day the tabloids, the newspapers, they do the him, and that's the most important thing in world football. So I think that Portugal, to me, I doubt so much according to the standard of winning the World Cup.
Okay. Now, so between the two, no, we say World Cup in Bebre.
Yeah.
But if we say no 70% ahead to win the Ballon d'Or.
For the 6th Ballon d'Or.
For the 6th Ballon d'Or. Messi for na mo share no. Master Banson say per records any performance this year no. Of course say see we will any best 70% to win this year's Ballon d'Or as in Messi because we share Champions League records so scoring the highest goals 11 consecutive matches all share goals World Cup or by 2 matches or share 4 goals. I mean records no incredible. I can say obetimi e dey akwa now and then I mean obi dey come obi minim wadwen wo ho say countries say winning World Cup no it doesn't take them a year to win the World Cup.
Yeah.
It doesn't take them even 2 years to win the World Cup. Where TB to say France 98 say players now a bit ball the winning year no the Benin on National Academy of Clairefontaine no.
Yeah.
And at that time the good players even the German squad a year system German for now put in place building a lot of academies across Germany and we saw the results are not ever now we share this World Cup if we say why not or you're better prepared in terms of the long-term planning to come into the World Cup conscious effort say you're planning it is still the 2018 World Cup and almost peaky at the right time to win the competition.
Yeah, when it comes that I always pick the Belgium team.
Okay.
Well, at first, most of them key players started from the under 20, then under 23, going to the national team. So, we would say Toby Alderweireld, Jan Vertonghen, Moussa Dembele, Azel Wissel, Omunyam for the same by. There was another 2 or more cheap for we say Lukaku, Kevin De Bruyne, Hazard, almost the same by. So, the understanding is very there. And for the past 4 World Cups here, nation be in terms of average, say number of caps and the team now also not target. So we said the last World Cup, Germany they had 43.8% of players number by the 23 players, no national team caps.
Yeah.
Now Belgium stands tall, 48.8. The last 2 World Cups, Spain also size. So it happens that no one watch what you say. Now if you look at the Belgium team, Vertonghen, the center back, the Vertonghen, the Toby Alderweireld, Tottenham. Holding midfielder no Pierre Bejibel is Dembele, Tottenham. Now if you go to Omu goalkeeper Chelsea to go to and one will say Hazard, Kevin De Bruyne, Lukaku. These are Premiership players. They understand Omu.
Okay.
Coach Adomo Roberto Martinez, another Premiership coach. About 12 to 13 players. I saw Chad Lemina. These are Premiership players. So understanding is there. Germany team now in 2000. Germany co-host in 2000. They were in a group with I think it was Romania, England, and one other. I think Sweden. Germany female group. It was uncharacteristic of German national team. So I'm going to be a friend the Pro Euro 2000. And it was mandatory for every club, say, a Saunia Academy. So Bundesliga 1, Bundesliga 2, with the 3rd division and the 2nd division Ghana. And so be an academy, to be at the academy. And on mine, a national academy. That's what England fans are led by Dan Ashton, the technical director of English football. And also Dano. So the Germans, squad now the bar World Cup in 2014 had 21 out of the 23 players.
Yeah, and everything about BBC because we share all the clubs now in recent now.
Yeah.
Once a world players in the Brunei free a particular club.
Yeah, I was coming there.
Okay.
In 1982, if in the World Cup in Spain, they have 7 players from Juventus. Gentili, a Libyan-born Italian defender. Omo Biti se Paolo Rossi from Juventus. Omo Dinizo from Juventus. Omo Biti se Gianfranco Antonelli from Juventus. Juventus only incorporated 7 players.
Yeah.
Now the Bayern Munich team, the German team in 2004 also have 7 players for Bayern Munich. The Spanish team in 2000 have 7 players for Barcelona. So the understanding and telepathy works perfect.
Okay.
That's all football here. Now, once Africa, Oma Bressa, 3 points back, Senegal. Patrick Vieira in 2003 Kwati Academy in Senegal, a friend Sally, Diambas Academy. This World Cup in one produce for all players, not say Salim Sile or Opera, or Mama Odis Agana Gaye of Everton, or Mama Odis Mboji of Anderlecht. Then
Patrick Vieira Academy
2003 year. Then this guy Papa Boy Indoyi of Stoke City. So that academy in 2003, the first batch in the training, I'm not for place World Cup. So understanding is there. They know obeying the possible man. Even a gesture keke or to say the baby panic or the man. So set things work. Elali team and I remember Egypt for ages. When Elali de pay now, the Egyptian league de pay no. It took them more than 2 or 3 occasions. No managing scam. Yeah. So the understanding is very, very important. Okay. And Serbia is one of the teams that will
okay. Maybe so. It makes it clear. So World Cup no you fafi ba ko na ye de plan you fa mfie mienu ebi de mfie du na akiri and the plan say mfie du World Cup no ye kwa you with me and the plan is very clear and the kwa e adwuma Africa ye plan and say World Cup no and I bok sa to be this and ya qualify kwa na akwa we winners ni asamba you ba the performance of the African teams you VAR video assistant referees no so and there a lot of controversy about World Cup no you may Iran Aisha go ama video assistant referee no adesalao ye ba ibedi ehon enkomo abensio adonko bites na soko we ni kwadwuma nsa mo show ye ba sisia. For live on Adum TV and when you go so here na grow from Jumadi no and you go so e dey ebro no ye hwe World Cup 2018 we say na yi goals ni bi de kire mo ne ye about 3 matches a hwe said the matches no course na enika we hwe Cristiano Ronaldo a je say akwa na kan ho na pressure bi o dey 2 matches so dey ho na 4 goals na no wabo no o ti say 4 goals na wabo in 2 matches na no she results no say the 2 and then Portugal share back Morocco and to me anti Uruguay so Saudi Arabia back to me and then Iran and Spain share back the results no matches na 2 and then and area to medical cast out Makacho say China Argentina and Croatia another tough game. Hey, Argentina Croatia is the game I'm looking forward to. Yeah. Croatia for no Luka Modric just fantastic. Croatia team is solid. Argentina is very easy.
Yeah. And also Argentina team more of an attacking play, not a completing to normal game, especially when a team they are really lacking a creative midfielder. Sometimes it looks very sad. Say Lionel Messi say no can error, wishing there's a certain becoming certain Varane be near the no come supply the balls. Now Messi need to drop back. No major ball Vanco. But if you look at the Croatian team now, the Croats have a complete team from goalkeeper Subasic to a back four, the 11, Vedan Choluka, Verasco, one midfielder, Rakitic, Luka Modric, Brozovic, Matija Kovacic. Some midfielders, Ivan Perisic, Kwada Frank Soba, Babic, Ed Ricer from Lazio. Now look at the attack, Mario Mandzukic, Kramaric. So it's a complete team with squad in depth.
No, I think that a team it can match the Argentine team any day.
They can match any team. And the Croatians are one of the nations that on the back tournament that they want to impress. Way back in 1998, Boban, Davusuka, Samic, they have that belief that they can do that. And this is the golden generation of a Croatian team. The Croatia, Serbia, from under 21, no more progress to another team. So the Croatia team, most of the players free under 21 and Nikokovac. So the understanding now can is working.
It's working.
That transition okay, perfect.
That's right.
And Kobana said team little once you be Ejuma. Now if you look at this Argentina team, Sampaio Domobana, it looks more of disjointed kakra. No free Messi from here you have Higuain no big web. We will say be a Dybala no big web as a new player, Pazon no big web, but Mendy. So that connection is not there. And I also feel say Argentina for no as a they find it difficult to express yourself because there's a God inside there.
Yeah.
And there's a
that
Messi also want to impress because there's a big competitor, Cristiano Ronaldo, who on any day he's like a monster.
But the Portuguese national team, right? He's a god in the team. But some pressure in the Portuguese.
But he acts as a godfather. Lionel Messi in Copa America penalty no Barcelona. Ronaldo do justice to that. Lionel Messi against Iceland, penalty no Barcelona. Ronaldo will score against even Spain. David De Gea, not the Iceland goalkeeper. Oh, David De Gea, the world best goalkeeper. Ronaldo will
step up to the plate.
Now occasion, 8 minutes. When you show me the opportunity, it's against Spain, who take the ball 3 minutes, then you get in 1 minute. So set piece is the most important thing. No, I say. Now if you look at the African teams, I'm really disappointed in every African coach because in these days, go show that Portugal before this tournament, almost last 13 goals in World Cup, almost share from open play. Now almost 5 goals, almost 4 from set piece. Now football is difficult to score goals from open play. Yeah. Why is it that African teams are not utilizing that, but we are rather suffering? We are conceding goals from open play. Nigeria conceding from set piece, penalty, corner kick. Egypt conceding the first goal from set piece. Against Russia conceding from set piece. And yes, set piece a long ball with one across. Morocco conceding from set piece. And then in the first game against Iran, set piece no channel. And then we had set piece. Senegal conceding back from set piece. Georges Krikoviak, a free kick no Akatum. Tunisia 2 goals. Hurricane no set piece. And it was I don't know how to make this guy. It's a well rehearsed team. Corner from Kevin Trippier. Abeko Harry Maguire no appeal. Or Pima is could to Hurricane on top match. The same format, the same angle, everything. It won't stop it. Yeah. So it seems our coaches are. I don't want to go there, but it seems that they are not learning.
But before I say the corner, it can be about preparation. Anyhow, Africa, you prepare the World Cup, and we have all seen the analysis now. Why you know? It's say countries you know World Cup
no.
And your well planned strategy near the co. It be take it 3 years, it be take it 4 years, it be take it 5 years. But here they ask you train. Qualify so ani abo we ko na we ko we fi sa ani abo ye be wi a na yakobo World Cup games 1 or 2 friendly matches we na the yakobo World Cup na no an ye wi
yeah on the best tournament yakobo World Cup is 2010 maybe because we had the 2009 and 24 na a movement street bashim so Ajimambedu Jonathan Mensah today you know say me na ball na we o me na ball because na setting you don't get enough preparation. So there should be always that good transition now. They move the media call. You should say, "Oh, the African, you're not lucky. You don't have a different place in Kwan. Never muko. OBF for different teams. We haven't get 2 African players playing the same top 5 team in Europe. It will fair, but then we have 3 or 4 weeks to say about your campaign. Why is it that the Ghana as a nation, up to now, Miami and National Academy, and England, a lot of England teams are uncountable. The national. The English technical director, or then Germany for technical director said, we are ready to learn. We want to learn something. After the Germans, we were the pro Euro 2000 American.
Yeah.
Omajije, I don't know. Spain for the same thing. Spain and some of Spain one of the greatest football nation. In 1982, freestyle football, born small pools now. Brazil for the Spain pursued to Brazil to naturalize 3 Brazilian national freestyle players. To teach them how to play the ball. Freestyle football, we know how to play the ball, even when the game is very crowded.
Yeah, crowded because
it's very crowded. Freestyle football, you see a very big ball, which is heavier than any ball. And you almost know how to control football. Or Banisha, it is easy for them. Now Spain did that. They won under 17, under 20, and then PPR from Zavi. Zavi won a budget in 1999 under 20.
Yeah.
We say the Nigeria. And in progressive Gigi. Zavi Casillas was in post. Only progressive on Mukoji. So that thing, the government,
but you see, there's one thing Kretsch said we don't plan. Now we wait. What's a Ghana Libya, what to Batakota, England, and now France. When there was Ghana ni boy be a pimu. Yes, you had an air connection, and no produce. We'll be now for the academy being what we don't want to know. So, Nigeria quite yibi. Nigeria quite yibi. Looking for Nigerians are more appropriate up somewhere in Europe and then go and naturalize them. Some from Bobo. Which I said, Yemakasano, Yetimi Jibu crew.
All because I think there be a per se, a dinner do we are near society no maniaco. Me want to tell me here, weightlifting for gym and no training. No problem any competition, I will not train there. So it tells you they will give them huge promises.
Okay.
Playing 3 million, 12 million. See, I'm prepared where I can win. Ghana, about England budget World Cup, no. I don't expect any Ghanaian to talk about it because Ghanaians have always said England football, and don't win the cup that. But last year they won under 17, they won under 20.
Yeah.
And the St. George's Academy second batch,
yes,
first batch.
St. George's Academy is working. On a senior
second batch. German Jonas, he was the former captain of England under 17, under 21, under 23. Or still or captain 3 under 17, under 21, then under 23. If you want a teammate to Nimomuda, if you need that, as if you Newcastle or Oba, if you Wolves, if you best city near. But with the St. George's Academy no Martin, Onuha, earlier, Liverpool got the boys now. Oh, no, if the same academy, spend days over there. No more bubble. Germany, the only Christian Tar, then time no by hamburger. It did say Udiga Mumbo by Leverkusen there. Say, only a matcher, there's on the hands on the back having. The FA clubs in Pennyphone and any accommodation in the hole. Yeah. In Germany, the FA, like I say, Christian Tar, or under 18 or under 19 player. But this week, he's the Nako Bobo for German under 19, so the Hamburg Jarmai. They understand.
No, much as here, boy. Younger World Cup, quickly, the VR, Africa teams in the can't, but younger video assistant referees. I would say a lot of controversy and Abahum. You about 20 matches. You used to know a couple of times to change the referees' decisions. And they cry, Sabo, Iran for a share, you know. And that TV no so mo go na Iran for no e share no sa go we referee na JVO we referee na but na assistant referee no flag no wasoro and then referee no epaja ne sa said the indirect bi no and then later on when said the referee no epaja ne sa then they had to go and consult the VAR. Is it working? Is it something at Ebwa football, the VAR? Egypt go so Egypt go in penalty na Mo Salah share so it is the same thing. You have to consult the VR. Yeah,
I really don't like the VR.
You don't like the VR?
Yeah, because I want football to be real kakra. The more I take the excitement of the game in football now, be any day.
The Iran go no, but for VR, if we say referee beji go.
So the VR, I think they can referee beji go because now Iran for now celebrating more than 40 seconds.
Almost celebrate here.
Almost celebrate here. We knowing say almost a genuine goal, but the VAR no ma second chance. So the time no ball set piece no. A hona na nipa na she go no another offside and another onside. So after the boy, in games bit say Tunisia and England. After the game, you know, the tier interviews of former Premiership referee Mark Hesley. Okaka and say Harry Kane you trained to pull him twice, but Omanji. Almost fair. Nipa on the VR for no chum David Elway also the kind of some say if say there are so many incidents at VR now but say so far about 20 games and now one red carpet.
Yeah, one red carpet.
Players are very careful because they know say you can't be called at any time say this is what you've done at the wrong side of the referee. You actually know say why you born senior marker, so they are very careful. Now other back is I was watching this game Brazil match now.
Yeah.
Brazil has similar thing Yanja Momo. Go now Zuba share, you know, Switzerland share, Opushi, Miranda, which the Brazilians were calling for VR, but referee.
Okay.
So it comes back to the point that why VR? Is it because they do the yes, a friend of mine, I do there is no. So very controversial, but I don't say
very good. And referees they decided to go for the VR.
Yeah.
Because club won't mean can say there be go we if we say go to no referee munko use VR na mo find determine say
Ronaldo no o claim be say
yeah I think it was Bobby and officer it was penalty was a foul and na o just say
it was a foul but no officer to penalty it was line so sir he was calling so mo for VR but obey my bra omo mo te no referee ni ade na mo te VR room go Bekache referees say this is the time we need to call upon it now. And this is before the tournament, head of referees committee of FIFA.
Yeah.
Corona Bekansem Massimo Busaka.
Massimo Busaka.
Who's also the head of referees committee. And so Bekansem be say via no ebenya issues kakra but or more expect say linesmen no moment flagging them so that in terms of any issue na very difficult that they call on the VAR.
All right. Okay, VAR no one say video assistant referee is in full force. You use no our 2018 World Cup no. Decisions be about man ya twetwe so go say football na delay be 30 seconds what do you call it 5 seconds be na ya twen say video assistant referee no e dey decision be ba well ni na e ka ho ama e bi pe but e boa ma football no etimi akọ nenim kai say abensu adonko bitters ena afei soko etayechi agro form so ena onigusa ohwe ebusafo ye kwaba ne abeto aso for your sign ababium yemaso yebeso adwumadie no so ano no agro from dwumadie ena wani gusa ohwe nanka bezenka yade yemre kakra aka no eka efiesem kakra abusha for if ya agro no ofie no enye de won say amafo bo world cup tisia na ye kan plan ho asem now Ghana football has come to a standstill yenko yenim ba bia yeko yesi otan FIFA for we do hanmo adwumre no mashia Ghana FA form Ghana government clubs notify now your 16 Premier League clubs obia register TT players or release players to play a BRTF 48 Division 1 clubs obia TF Division 2 clubs coast clubs obia players no kola ebobo gina TF e ma football e won 17 so mko say Uruguay say hin obutifi e ma under 24 e so mko France kobo national World Cup everything is just dead. And now last week once you Asante Kotoko HC statement be said if you na omutino any players omutu emukane ade no the financial implications at that club so enya some keto akra tinkebeya anka ban speed up the process of resolving the matter quick nanka yensan emba back emba football but I must abandon just in a minute no. But since I could afford this statement, clubs need to be in shed and kasaya clubs, no, who do meetings, but it doesn't look like we are moving forward. But that's my problem. And we may have power and say, if indeed the government is the most Ghanaians are really in support of that, so it makes it very difficult to comment against what the government needs. And I think the government is doing a lot of checks. But say. And a plan and I say a target CBI in this time the person no do football in chain. Number 2 was money towards Fuoka, which is very nice. Or Tina said as I'm going to go more beer. Now we are all living in suspense. No thinking say Ebi or China, Ebi they were changing the so how do you plan your things as a football person? Very, very bad. It makes very dicey for you to submit to now. I'm hoping say FIFA for the bar. The BIA come and the football people and the government side will understand how things need to be done. But there's nothing. Maybe anywhere man will be switching the man penny the becano. To man penny understands to, but I think say we will need man penny should understand and normal football between Abu and normal football between ye free and normal football between the other economic economy how can be a few years. Your ball match you share but you don't pure to so. I think that the government should look at those kind of things. Now, unconsidered football phone. If indeed the Duma Apra is what you film. Okay. But not necessarily dispelling the whole football. Okay. Now you say semi probably na bonnet or football for ma. Yan share you musin chain. Football for no. Me give say papa wom. Ena bonnet so wom. The way bonnet no. You know ensin chain. A papa for no. Woman tran football no mo. Na woman do music kaya football no. Woman mu tria players in the cano. One place na jeni dino omanga san twaso eje football no na Ghana yinyina yaso ensumo entimi enjoy e abusan for beta